Disconnect the power adapter. Press the power button. Tap the F1 key repeatedly to enter the setup menu. Select the config menu. Select the power menu option. Select the disable built-in battery menu option. Select yes in the confirmation box. The system will shut down and the battery is disabled. Insert a paperclip into the hole on the SIM card tray. Remove the tray from the slot. Loosen the 5 captured screws. Pry up the edge of the cover near the hinges to release the clips. Lift the cover from the system. Remove 6 screws from the built-in battery. Lift the battery from the system. Remove the foam from the NFC module. Peel up the clear plastic cover from above the trackpad connector. Disconnect the cable from the trackpad. Disconnect the NFC antenna from the NFC module. Remove the antenna cable from the guide. Remove 4 screws from the trackpad. Lift the system slightly and remove the trackpad. Lift the system slightly, insert the NFC antenna through the slot, and place the trackpad into position. Install 4 screws into the trackpad. Connect the NFC cable to the NFC module. Insert the antenna cable into the guide. Connect the cable to the trackpad. Place the foam onto the NFC module using its adhesive backing. Place the built-in battery into position using the screw holes for alignment. Press down where the battery connects to the system board. Install 6 screws. Place the cover onto the chassis, inserting the edge opposite the hinges first. Press down around the edges of the cover to lock the clips. Tighten the 5 captured screws to secure the cover in place. Insert the SIM card tray into its slot on the side of the system.